Unraveling Closer Than Close, a deep dive into English phrases. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, where we make learning English fun and easy for you. Today, we have a special topic that sounds simple but carries a lot of depth: closer than close. This phrase might seem straightforward at first glance, but there's more to it than meets the eye. Let's explore its meaning, usage, and the nuances that make it such a rich addition to the English language. Whether you're a language learner or just love diving into English expressions, this video is for you. At its core, closer than close is an idiomatic expression used to describe a relationship or bond that is extremely intimate or strong. It goes beyond the standard level of closeness that people might generally experience. When we use this phrase, we're talking about a connection that's deeper than what the word close typically signifies. This phrase can apply to friendships, family relationships, romantic partnerships, or even the connection one might feel with a place or an object that holds great personal significance. To get a better grasp, let's look at some examples. In friendships, even though we've only known each other for a year, we're closer than close. We're like siblings. In romantic relationships, they are closer than close, finishing each other's sentences and understanding each other's thoughts without a word. Family bonds. Growing up, I was closer than close to my grandmother. She was my mentor and guide. Personal connection to places or objects. This necklace is more than just jewelry to me. It's a memory of my mother, making me feel closer than close to her. The phrase doesn't just denote physical proximity or a superficial bond. It implies a profound, almost indescribable level of intimacy and understanding. It's about a deep emotional connection that is hard to find and even harder to put into words. This expression beautifully captures the essence of what it means to be truly connected with someone or something on a level that is rare and precious. Understanding phrases like closer than close enriches your English language journey, allowing you to express complex emotions and relationships in a nuanced way. It's phrases like these that show the beauty and depth of the English language, giving you the tools to describe the indescribable. We hope this video has brought you closer to mastering such expressions and that you feel more confident in using them in your conversations. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to exploring more fascinating aspects of the English language together. Stay curious, and keep learning.